time to make some anchors that I can drop down to the bottom of the lake to hold my buoy in place, which is where I'm going to tether up the skiff here. So I've got some 5-gallon pails, and I had an old, one of those, mesh fence posts left over, and didn't have any rebar, so I just cut that up. So that's going to go wet doweled in there once I get the concrete in. And then each one of them is going to have one of these galvanized lag bolts with a nut on the end that prevents it from getting pulled out of the concrete. And then I can attach my chain links to that. So I'll link them all up in series and then just drop them down to the bottom of the lake like a big weight anchor. Hey. So it's time to hand mix, get some exercise. Alright, time to set a buoy. You ever set a buoy before? Me neither. I think you can just put enough rope out. Try not to get your feet tangled in it when you drop the anchors. And deal with the rest once you got the concrete on the bottom. So we got 5-foot chain linked to these concrete 5-gallon blocks here. And a little shackle here with a figure 8 on it. That should hold. And then once we get it up to the surface and measure the length, then I can cut it and attach the buoy. But first, we just need to get these in the right spot. Here might be the money spot. I don't know, we're actually drifting a bit. Let's go a little bit further this way. You just do that one, Paul. Hold on. Get out of the way here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Still sinking. That's deep. Now this isn't supposed to be a window, but my fly ripped, so now I have a window. So the wind here is a little bit crazy right now. My tent, thankfully, it's screwed down because it would be more of a kite if it wasn't. Holy. My little log boom thing over there is working beautifully though. This video does not do it justice. These waves are pretty gnarly. So you guys remember when I kind of set the buoy out there? Well, the boat dragged the buoy over to my neighbor's log boom, and the buoy's about 4 feet underneath their log boom out there. And the boat was banging against the logs, and thankfully I put the motor up. I always put the motor up, so it didn't get damaged. But the extension to my ladder here, you can see the flanges. So my swim ladder got ripped off, banging against the logs, so that sucks. So I'll have to get a new piece fabricated for that. So another hard lesson to come by. Sorry if the audio is terrible because of the wind. It's really windy here. You can see why I need to get a log boom up like my neighbor's got over here as quickly as possible, because this is a pretty consistent wind that happens every couple of days, and the rollers just keep coming in, so you gotta get a log boom. Look at that, I got a door handle.